So guys, let's make a new project. Image assets. Pick black color as the background. Tab on top right corner to move to the main project. Tab, hold, increase the duration of the background layer. Suppose the main video duration is 10 seconds. Tab on empty area to unselect everything. Then insert the text you want. Increase the text size, text style, suppose Roboto black. Give the text layer same length as the background layer. Now tab on top right corner upload button. Save as video. Now we are inside a new project with a sample video. Tab on overlay. Then look for the folder KineMaster. In future the name could be Spring. Import the previously exported video. Look for transform. Move down. Select fill. Go back. Look for blending. From here select the multiply and we are done. Also we can play with the opacity to make it semi-transparent. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.